The V technique is the easiest way to create stunning eye makeup looks. So hello everyone, welcome to my channel PoshNClassy. Today I'm going to share with you this beautiful eye makeup. So here I'm going to start my look by filling my brows by using PAC Cosmetic Eyebrow Gel in shade Walnut Wax. So I'm going to follow my eyebrow shape and fill in the sparse area. So if you mess up with your eyebrows, so you can use this Q-tip trick to, neat and clean your brows, and yes, you are done. You can see the residue there. So let's fill in. Next, here I'm using this eyebrow spoolie so that the product get evenly spread. Here I'm using Inside HD concealer. I'm going to neat and clean my brows. Here I am using that same concealer on my eyelid and going to blend it with this brush, and next I'm going to set it with loose powder only my crease area, not on my eyelid. For eyeshadow palette, I am using this BH Cosmetic Blush Neutral 26 color eyeshadow and blush palette. As you can see, this palette is such a beautiful. So if you don't have this palette, you can use any other palette. I'm going to use this dark brown shade and going to pack this shade on the outer corner of V and create a V shape, and going to fill in that V. Now I will start blending the edges of this shade slowly. So it will not take too much time and it's blended. Next, I'm picking up this shade and going to do the same process in the inner side of my eyes. Create a V shape again and fill in that area. Next, I'm going to use a shimmery kind of shade to fill in the middle of my lid. You can use any highlighter shade. Just going to blend the edges of both the shades, matte shades, so it looks more seamlessly blended. Next, I'm taking this black shade and create a smoky wing. On my lower lashes, I'm going to apply that same shade, and yes, in the middle I'm going to apply that shimmer also, and going to smoke out my 1/3 of my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply few coats of mascara. Here I am using my favorite mascara by Mamaearth. Here I am skipping applying false eyelashes. In case you love to wear, you can go for it, and voila, you are done. So this V technique is so easy. You can create many stunning different looks by using different colors. And yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'll see you in my next brand new tutorial. Bye bye.